Now last year Tesla was one of the darlings of the US stock markets and one of the leading EV car manufacturers globally. But in 2021 things have gone a bit quieter, so where is the stock price of Tesla heading? In today's chart of the day I look into that and uncover where it could be going next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of The Stock Punter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Right then, straight into the weekly line chart for Tesla, and we go back to the late part of 2019 on the chart. And I've drawn a nice purple trend line there showing the progress Tesla has made over that period, and we can see there was an outlier during the beginning of 2021. Well, you could call it outlier maybe from actually the end of 2020 to the beginning part of 2021, and it's pulled back more to its mean trend. And actually that purple line is trend line is more of a good support area, but it keeps building and bouncing from. Currently the price around 660 at the moment, and there's been a lot of noise through that band as well, that 600 to 700 area, which it spent last 3 or 4 months in. So a key upside watch area at the 700 mark, and we could see the highs at the 900 area hit maybe once more. But going back further for other areas of support, if the chart was to break down further, there's again a lot of noise around the key Fibonacci line of 38.2%, and actually that filters up to the 50% line, and that's a range between 360 and 460, so about $100 of range there, which could prove a downside area of support for the price if things were to come off. But generally though, if you took a look at that chart, it looks reasonably healthy despite its pullback. It's been growing in price consistently over the longer term. So let's have a look at the Heikin-Ashi chart. So what does the Heikin-Ashi chart give us? It's on the daily setup, the usual indicators and tools on the chart. Now, I suppose the interesting pull away here straight away is the black 200 moving average line there. See how the price has been hugging that as support and resistance and support. It really is featuring around that area. So looks like supply and demand at the moment is in a neutral position because it can't decide whether to go up or down, but that can also be overlaid onto the current pullback in the S&P and Nasdaq and the US stock markets generally. But it is showing signs that it doesn't really want to go down much lower at the moment. The 640 area, the price is sitting within the bands there, those pink lines. In terms of indicators at the bottom, we've got a buy on the RSI and a sell on the regression, so pretty neutral. At the moment it's looking like the price is consolidating and overall pretty neutral at the moment. I've used a $10 block size here on the Tesla chart, and that, like normal, is to give me more shorter term trading opportunity, but we've got data back on this chart to 2021 beginning of, and what's it telling us at the moment? Similar story to the Heikin-Ashi. Actually we've got I suppose improving indicators at the bottom. We've got a bullish DMI tweaked indicator there, and the regression has moved from negative to neutral. The price is turning up, just broken up through the moving average. It's still within those Donchian bands, those orange lines there. Like I say, just broken up that moving average. turning, looking a bit more positive in the shorter term, but we can see overall, if we go back through the price history, that it's in that sort of slow downtrend consolidatory phase. And if we're talking in terms of numbers, it's got to break out through this 680 700 area to be interesting to the upside on the Renko chart. A break below that 630 area right in the near term, could take it back to the recent lows in the mid 500s. So a quick summary of what's going on with Tesla. Well, it's pretty neutral overall. The daily chart neutral to weak bullish. The Renko chart very much neutral at the moment, and we're talking more sort of medium term to longer term trades here. And if we focus in on the bullish and bearish possible target sort of areas, I was looking at the stats, the risk returns there. I would say the bullish trade setups have a slightly better risk return in that period that we're looking at, even though the bearish side as well does have good risk return numbers. Sort of favors the bullish side at the moment. So again, wait for the right signals, indicators to join Tesla if you're wanting to buy or sell the stock. So Tesla pretty neutral overall at the moment, but it is showing signs of consolidation for maybe a possible move upwards, and one to watch, especially if the stock markets recover more strongly and the EV sector also pushes on upwards. They're doing very well in the States, Tesla, so it's a stock not to be ignored. So do you agree the analysis in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think it's bullish, bearish? Do you trade Tesla? Again, hit the feedback in the comments and get the discussion going. And if you've enjoyed or want to find out more about the technical analysis I've used in this video, I'll put a link in the description and some further info down there, so you can follow that if you want to find out more. So all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.